This review is of Lily's dark chocolate keto baking chips. Stevia sweetened, 55% cocoa. Now, let me just clarify. Keto is nonsense. It was developed 100 years ago to treat epileptics to help reduce the incidences of seizures, and it succeeded. It was never developed to help you lose weight, and scientific studies have demonstrated that although short-term it will help you lose weight and improve health markers, long-term you will rebound and your diabetes often will go back to normal. I mean, as in what it was before you started. It is non-GMO, fair trade, no sugar added because they use stevia. It's also gluten-free, parv, so in that respect, it's safe for Jews and Muslims. 55% fair trade. And they've got a little peanut butter cups recipe here in their blurb. And here are the nutrition facts. 55 calories per 24 chips, which is 14 grams. 4 grams of fat, of which 2.5 are saturated. That's not bad. And that's no trans fats, cholesterol, or sodium. 8 grams of fat, of which 8 grams of carbs, of which 5 are dietary fiber. So that's 3 net grams of carbs, none of which are sugars. 2 are erythritol. And there's 1 gram of protein. And here are the ingredients. All right, let's hold. To be honest, I don't like the smell. The color has become fairly faded, like a guitar. It's cool in the mouth. Honestly, I don't care for the flavor. It's a little bit odd. I'm not sure why. I will not choose this one again. I'll give it a 6. Thanks for watching and hope you have a great day.